Welcome to day 3 or module 3. So remember to log into Canvas. Along the left-hand side is modules. Click on modules. Scroll down to module 3 and click on overview. Today, you're going to be looking at the lesson plan that you developed during module 2, and you're going to focus in on the assessment portion of the lesson. We're going to explore different ways that you can transition assessments to an online environment, as well as utilizing discussion board questions to increase student engagement. Click the next button. This module provides you information at the beginning. The readings should appear right for you. If the readings do not appear, you can click on the link for the PDF to download. Remember that you come down to the bottom of the screen and click Next to take you to the next screen. Module 3 is set up with a series of readings. We know that the readings are multiple pages, and we ask that you skim through them. Of course, if you have the time to dig through and really search through these quality online standards and the standards for quality online courses, we certainly encourage it, but know that at this time it may be something that you want to leave till a later date and just skim through that information for right now. These standards are important and will provide you further basis for developing additional online coursework. We then present to you the assessment piece. We provide you a lot of information on choosing just the right assessment for the lesson that you've written. You also have a wonderful visual that really looks at that blended and online assessment taxonomy. How does design focus on assessment? Click the next button. You then have 2 videos to watch. And then you're going to look at your lesson plan that you developed during Module 2, and you're going to really key in on that assessment piece. You have 2 additional links that you can click on that will open in another window that provide you additional technology tools for assessment. Click the next. Well, I should say, before you click the next, read over the assignment, click Submit Assignment, and copy and paste your assessment piece in there. Remember, you could use Google Forms to create an assessment, which is a very quick and easy way to get that assessment. But again, we provide you with a lot of information so you can dig in deeper if you'd like. Click Next, and then you're going to submit 3 discussion board questions by clicking on Submit Link and writing the discussion board questions right into the chat or into the text box. Please note that when you're writing these discussion board questions, you don't want them to be a yes or no question. You really want them to be questions that are going to push students to provide, a lengthy response, a few sentences response, and allow interaction between students. So make sure that these are really critical thinking questions that you're going to be posting. Then you're taken to Module 4, which will be Thursday. So that ends your assignments for today, Module 3. Thank you.